Hey guys, just in time, we're sending out the Kwik Dry truck. Kwik Dry truck. That's kind of a tongue twister. Kwik Dry truck. But it's dry outside, it was wet, so we're gonna ship it out. It looks wet in here and it's not, so that's good. But this is a fun wrap. We're doing a bunch of these. We got like 2 more to go or 3 more to go. He's a good local guy. He's keeping us busy. His name's Robert. He's the owner of Kwik Dry, and he's helping us stay busy, and we love it. Nick did a fantastic job. He's already on the next project, so we're gonna ship this one out. We're gonna send him out the door, and we're gonna wait for the next one. And then I'll show you what else is going on in the shop. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment on there. Me and Deadpool are talking here, and he was wondering why you hadn't used your finger to click the subscribe button. So just get on over there. Obviously, you don't want this guy mad. Come on now, get with it. Look at him. This is actually the real Deadpool. I know it doesn't, he's just really still right now because he's so shocked that you're not subscribed. So he's like frozen, you know? So just be like, let's get going, man. He's like, come on, let's do something. What do you say? Maximum effort. Yeah, that's what it is. All right, yeah. So thanks, Deadpool. I appreciate the support. He's actually a subscriber. He watches all the time. You know what I mean? So thanks, Deadpool. We love it. High five. What are we wrapping over here, Nick? Lexus? Oh, yeah. Look at this color. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Loud and proud, baby. It's going to be a week of this. Like, we're doing a lot of wild colors this week. I can't wait to get this Tesla rolling. So I'm going to show you what the dynoprism looks like real quick. We haven't got it on the car yet, but we'll have it soon. See if I can get it out. Yeah. All new rolls of tint we got to sell. Let's see, man. Oh God, I think they have some candy in here. I always get so excited. Grandpa's pocket knife here. Jordan, you think they got some candy in here? This is such a little thing, but I'm always just like, every time I'm like, oh, we love it. Okay. Oh, I got to shut it. I don't want to get, what do you call that? When you get cut. Old timer, thank you. What's this color called, Nick? Don't know. You're never stumped. You always know the color. Oh, what is that new brand? What is it called? APA? Just super metallic. Oh, yeah. That's right. It's not going to show anything. It's going to be all clear. Yeah, man. Super expensive roll. Oh my God. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just want the pink starburst. You can have, this is the one I want. And then you can have whatever. Maybe that Zott strawberry thing. That's cool. No, wait. Hang on. I'll come back to the starburst. Got caught up. So it's kind of hard to tell. There's a lot of metallic in here, a lot of color change and a lot of color flip. And what it really requires is like the base color underneath it. We might be able to see it outside a little better. You can kind of see some of the sparkle in there, but wait till we get it on. Literally, as soon as we shoot this video, we're pulling the Tesla up and we're starting this project. We've been doing tons of paint protection. I don't know if you guys are following. Emily's back from getting her hair cut. Well, you cut a lot of hair off. Oh, looks good. Yeah, nice. They probably like that better, getting that collected by an invoice from a girl. I sent her by to collect on us, collect on people. Guys, what's up? How's it going down here? This is my number 1 and my number 2 right here. Okay, then you can be number 2. You're number 2 then. Andre, what's your first acting power? So what we're doing on the C8 is we're doing a front clip package is what we call that, which is a full bumper, full fenders, full headlights, full hood, and we're just kind of protecting the high impact areas. He might end up adding some rocker pieces on there. I always think it's a good idea, but sometimes when they have these splitters on there, they decide to opt out of them. So it really just depends on the customer, but I think this piece probably needs a little protection. And I was gonna give him a ring here in a minute and make sure, but are we doing a Ceramic Pro 5-year? Ceramic Pro 5-year, you know, we'll do the wheels, the glass. That's a very common package for what we do in this bay is the paint protection on the high impact areas and then the Ceramic Pro and everything else. This BMW we finished last week. So it's just sitting here curing. I didn't want to let anything get wet. I did get something new from Snap-on today. So I asked him for a mini air compressor because I've got the big guy. This is my little one now. Look at this guy. Snap-on. Yeah. I just like tools. I don't know if you've been to my shop. Oh my God, this thing is heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, this is how I stay buff, like this. But I actually, I bought this for my house. I think I'm gonna take it home. I wanted something I could just use at home for mild stuff. We've got 3 air compressors in the shop, so we really didn't need it, honestly. But you know, this is whatever. You never know what we're gonna need. Did I show you my torque wrench? I've got a lot of them, but this is my biggest one. Look at this thing. It's like semi trucks. How many foot-pounds is this thing? I don't know. 800 and something? That's what Dakota says. I just bought it because it was really big and cool. And I didn't need it because it was like for way over-engineered for what we do. I've got all the other little ones too. I've got a mini one. Here's another one. I've got a digital one. Here's my digital. You bought my digital? Oh, here's the mini digital guy. So you can go, little guy, do little tiny stuff. You know what I mean? Whatever you need. Now let's go check out the tint shop, see what's going on down there. We did a full tint on this bad boy today. I think that's cool. We tinted the headlights on it. It's kind of neat. I like the big dualies when they're lifted up like that. It's fun. Down to the tint shop, we're tinting cars. Andre, Ramon, getting some tint on today. How's your guys' day? Solid? Thursday, probably caught all the cars up. How many we do today? 10 or 15 or something? So I don't know if you guys remember, we wrapped this a while back. We did it all black. It was a dog wash bus. Carmeal next door, they did a complete kind of gutted it. Like a sound system in here. They put in these seats and did some lights and a big TV. They just made it kind of cool. If you need it, I don't think this is for rent. I think this dude's just gonna like party it up. I think he's the lead singer of like Machine Gun Symphony. It's a local band here in town. And he gets pretty wild. He's also like a black belt in karate or kung fu or something. Pretty cool dude. Travels around and does all kinds of fun stuff. Now he's got a bus to do it in, so that's pretty lit. Get your own party bus. Oh, did I show you the chromedelete? Come look at how blasted this front end is. So we're gone through, took all the chrome off, wrapped all the chrome black that we didn't take off, and all these other ones are shipped out. But to get these two pieces out in the front, look at this, man. This just looks terrible, you know? Imagine seeing your vehicle just, customers hate this stuff. I hope I remember how to put it all back together. Terrible if I forgot how to do it. Now, this is a good friend of mine, and I've done a lot of vehicles for him. This is the first one he's went this hard on, but he wanted it done right. There's only one way to do it. To keep his factory camera, we had to use his existing grill. We're making it black. So, and we also went ahead and included that piece in lower bumper, which is super hard to get out. I think they call for like 8 hours of labor to do the install of this grill. I've done probably 15 or 20 of them, you know what I mean? So I've got it down, but it looks terrible when you're doing it. Like it looks like, it's like, oh my God. When we're done with it, all this chrome will be black. It'll be completely blacked out and he's gonna love it. Next thing you know, it'll be rolling out. What else we got going on? Is that it? You guys want me to come help you do anything? Throw the handles on? I'll do that. Let's do that. It looks like I got a job to do, guys. So I appreciate you guys checking it out, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks. All right. Go.